Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Craft Historian. Thank you for stopping by. It's Celeste here. I had an idea to make some glossy stickers. So I've got a ton of napkins, and this is one of the napkins that I'm going to be using. I have already cut out two butterflies from this one so that I could get a bit of a head start. These two little images are from two different napkins, and then I have this little guy left over that I want to use as well. So let me explain what I'm going to do. You need a napkin. I need to get the backing off this one because I only need a single layer. So I'm going to take a little bit of tape and see if I can get this backing off. So a little trick of putting a bit of tape on the back to take that second layer of the napkin off, because I only want this here. And the idea, my son just went away. Let me see if I put this on. There we go. The idea is for me to take some double-sided tape and let me open this window and see if we get a little better light. Oh goodness. Oh, so much better. There you go. Now, I hope my double-sided tape is big enough for the sunflower. I think I'm just going to make it. Am I going to make it? Kind of. Mostly. I think I'm just going to lose the tips of those two there. It's okay. I'm just going to work with it. So I've got double-sided tape on the back of the napkin. And I'm just going to cut this away because I only want the taped bit of the image. And then to make these little butterfly images and bees and stamps and whatnot pop off the page a little bit, I want to I guess it's like an embossing effect. I'm going to use my nail polish, clear nail polish, and just paint it over the design, following the lines. If you go over the lines, it's okay because you're going to cut it away later anyway, but just placing some of your nail polish, and I guess if there was glitter in this nail polish, you could use the glitter polishes as well. I just wanted a clear coat. I've already done a coat on these two. I've got a little bit of a head start. And this nail polish, I don't know if all of them are going to be the same, but this particular nail polish has got quite a strong chemical smell. So I've got the window open so that I don't, don't get all woozy from this chemical smell. Okay, I've got that. Let's get this little guy done, and then I'm leaving them to dry well and truly, and then I'm going to come back and do a second layer because when the nail polish dries, it dries a little flatter than when you put it on, and hopefully I can make it a little more embossed, and you get quite a lot out of your nail polish bottle. I don't remember when I bought this, and I know I've used it for other things. I just thought having a nice shine to a sticker image, and again, it doesn't matter if you go over the lines because I'm going to fussy cut these images out. Alright, so this one's a little bigger. I mentioned once before that I didn't know how to speed up my videos. So I went and Googled the movie maker software that I've got, and apparently, and I'm not kidding, apparently you can speed up your video if you click on the slow motion. If you click on the slow motion button in the Movie Magic software, it just doesn't make any sense. But I haven't tried it. I will, but I just had a good giggle about it. All right, so this has to dry a little bit, and then we'll come back and do a little second layer. Let's see if I can, this one's probably the safest. See if I can get a second layer on here already. Oh, I think I can. It dried fairly fast. I think it's been maybe 45 minutes since I placed the first layer down. And it did work. All right, so I'm guessing, and it doesn't run, I guess because it's got, this nail polish has got a little bit of a gel. It says that it's a gel. Maybe that's why it doesn't run. Okay, so I am going to give a second coat to all these other little images, and then we'll fussy cut them out, and I will try and show you how it looks sideways, so you can see some of the embossing. Okay, so I have all my little guys are dry, and I cut them out. I fussy cutted everything out, and I wanted to show you, I added a little bird. So, and I thought, let me see if I can show you the difference between one that is not clear coated with nail polish and one that is clear coated. I only have 2 layers on this little bird, and can you see the difference if I try and get how there's a layer? I think it's catching on the light and you can see the difference. Oh, a little fly here, guys, sorry. Maybe I can bring it up a bit. Can you see the difference between the two? Now this one also has the clear backing, the tape, and so I'm going to use these. I thought I'd just use that to give you an example of, show you the difference between coated and not coated. I'm going to use all my little guys now to do a collage on this page, and I had it all kind of set out. So let me get it down, and you'll see how these little stickers work really, really well when you're doing a collage. So let's get, I'm wondering if I'm a little too close. No, I'm good. All good. So it's evening now. I don't have sunlight outside, And in some respect, I think it's a good thing, because with the artificial light, I'm able to show you the glisten on the stickers. And of course, it's going to be, oh God, I was supposed to put that one down first. It's okay, I can quickly pick this up and get this down. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, let's get this down. Maybe I should stop talking and just let the music take over, and we'll get this done quickly. The page is finished, and I really like how it came out. I think it's fairly plain and simple, but yet elegant. I kind of like it, and it's very different to some of the other pages I've done this last few times. But I just really like how I was able to take a napkin and some clear nail polish and double-sided tape and create this glossy sticker. So this little bee, I cut the little antenna off, so I'll have to draw those back in, as well as the butterflies, so I'll draw those back in. But I really like it. I think it came out beautifully, and it's very simple, very inexpensive, and it's a way for you to use up any of your excess napkins, because if you're anything like me, you've got a million. lying around everywhere, and I keep buying more, which is crazy. Anyway, well, thank you for joining me. As always, I had fun and just really loved how this turned out. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.